Hello guys, how are you? I hope so. Everybody is fine. Today I am going to discuss some important things in the market. And before watching the video, I will say to you guys that you guys must have to subscribe the channel and you guys must have to like the videos and must share this video with your friends who are in the trades, especially in the gold. So today we are going to discuss about gold, and today I want to also say to you that if you are new in trading, so don't trade from 1st May till 7th of May. First of all, I will tell you the reason about that thing. So first of all, if you look at the Monday, so today is Monday, so today there's also an important data. So that like that ISM manufacturing PMI, so this could also affect the market very much. And also the thing is that today Tuesday there's also very huge data regarding the jobs opening that could also affect the US market also, and also affects the dollar, sorry, gold. So on Tuesday there's also high impact news, and Wednesday there's also a ADP non-informed employment change and FOMC statement, federal funds rate, FOMC press conference. So these things will absolutely affect the gold market very much. And on Thursday, you know that there's a important data regarding the monetary policy, and on Friday we have the NFP. So this whole week would be very much volatile. So I will suggest you, if you are new in trading or if you are using the big lot sizes in the market, I will say to you, don't ever use the big lots and don't trade if you are new in trading. So this is all the first thing. Now we will move towards the technically. Now you have seen that fundamentally that we have we have a lot of data and a high impact data that could affect the gold market and all the markets. Now if I will move toward the technically on the behalf of gold, first of all I will say to you I will suggest you some areas where we can look at the buy, where we can look at the sell. But before entering into the technical analysis, I want to ask one thing from you. Actually, this question is for the traders, for the daily traders who trades on the behalf of daily and also trade the currency pair. So first of all, I am opening the dollar chart. So you guys can see here that I have opened the daily time frame chart of a dollar, and you guys can see here that dollar is keep moving upside. But if you will look at on the other side, if you will look at on the behalf of if you will look at on the JPY, GBP, JPY, if you will look at on the yen and any other currency pair, if you will look at, they all currencies are falling downside. If you look at the odd, that's falling downside. If you look at the Swiss, they are also falling downside. JPY is also falling downside. All the currencies are just moving downside due to the some geopolitical tensions and all these things. But still dollar is keep moving upside. Now would you like anybody can tell the reason, what is the reason why dollars keep moving upside? The only reason is that's the interest rates. That's it. The only reason is interest rates. Now actually a lot of people will say, ask from us that sir, why are you saying that don't trade this week? Brother, because this week actually there are three meetings. I have also mentioned the dates of the meeting. 3 to 4 May there could be the possibility of a meeting, and also on Friday approximately 6 May or 7 May there's also the possibility that there will be a little bit more meeting regarding the interest rates. And on 14th or 15th June and on 26th or 27th July, these three dates, these three meetings dates are decided where they could increase or decrease the interest rates. So that's why right now why dollar is moving upside, it is just because of the manipulation of the buyers and the sellers. Because a lot of 90% of the traders who are the mature traders, they think like that maybe they are the US central bank, they will increase the interest rates, and they are increasing the interest rates from the last many months, from the last 6 to 7 months they are increasing the interest rates. So now there's a possibility that they could increase the interest rates from 0.50 to 0.750. So it's a possibility. So I'm also typing here that there's a possibility that they could decrease the interest rates from 0.50 till 0.750. So this is a possibility. So that's why right now, due to the due to the fear. That's called a fear. So right now the whole economy, the whole traders, they are trading in the fear. So just due to the fear, they are buying dollar, and they are don't entering into the gold. They are just selling it off. So that's called market fear. Now why people sell the gold, and why people invest in other currency and other things like the dollar, why people used to buy the things, other things, instead of investment in the dollar. The reason is that, brother, when interest rates increases, so due to that thing, that also supports, and that also help out to decrease the growth in the economy. And also due to that thing, the cost is also increased. So that's why people instead. And also second, the reason is that the gold does not have the interest rates. So absolutely, the where we will get a more interest rates, we will buy those things. So that's why people used to buy the stocks and other things, so like that. So they just sell off the gold, whatever they have, like that, whatever the commodities they have, they just sell it off, and they just buy the other stocks and other things, because that are correlation to the directly proportional to the dollar. So that's why this is also reason that dollar is rising upside and gold is moving downside, because people, just due to the fear of the market, people are just selling off the gold. And even though right now the decisions or rates are not decided, but due to the market fear, they are market analysts, they are predicting that maybe the interest rates would be rising from 0.50 to 0.750. So that's why they are just adding the selling entries in the gold, and they are just selling it off, that because they think like that that gold market could fall more and more this week. So this is also the possibility. If interest rates would be rising, absolutely gold could be fall, but it is not decided. Maybe this week interest rates would be rising, maybe, as I mentioned you, 3 days that maybe the interest rates would be rising from 14 to 15 June, or maybe 26 to 27 July. So it depends upon the condition, that when interest rates would be rising. So right now, let's move toward a technical analysis. So you guys can see here that I have draw just two trend lines. These are the previous trend lines. This is the previous chart which I have shared with you many times. So still now we are running in that chart. So right now I'm just here, I'm going to tell you the perfect and the best buying entries for the gold. So you just have to type those entries, and you just have to mark these entries. And so these are the only buy entries we have right now. So you guys can see here that I have draw a one trend line, that's a supportive trend line from the downside. And you guys can see here that, and also we have the one trend line which was coming from that area. If you will open the line chart, you will be see more clearly that these are the areas somewhere we can look for the buy trade. Now what is the best buy trade right now? We have the best buy trade we have right now, that's this area 1865 or 1866. This is the best buying entry. Why I'm saying to this thing to you? Because you guys can see here that gold was just running in between that trend line, then after that again and again and again little bit zigzag, then again market has just break down that area, then again market is wants to come down. So maybe just market will come till that area 1860 or 1865, then again we can think so that gold could move upside. Now why I'm saying that gold could move upside? Because if you look at the indices like the US 30, like the Nasdaq and other indices and other stocks, they are also falling down. So right now market condition is too much creepy. So if you are new in trading, so don't trade. I will suggest you. So this is the reason first our best buying entry would be 1865. So you have to just mark that area, and I will also mention here that best buying entry would be 1865. Best buying 1860 to 62 till 1866, let's suppose. Sorry. So this will be our best buying entry, number first area. And the second area right now we have, that is where the market is right now, and that is approximately 1880 area 1880 is the area from where I can think so that market could move again upside. So this is also the area today. So still we are also in a buy trade. Our stop loss is just 1882, and right now we are running in the trade, and that's it. And we have previously got the 30 pips. And still I hope so that market could go first of all 1897, and market will be zigzag. and it just looks like that. So right now, so you guys can also enter at approximately 1880 is the area from where we can look for the buy trade. So this is that, but that would be the scalping buy trade. 1880 would be the area that would be the for a scalping buy trade. I can also note down here 1880, regarding 1880 scalping area. 1878 till 79 till 1882. So this will be the scalping area for the gold, from where you guys can look for the buy trades. So, and on the other side, if you look at here, I have told you that this would be this time market will, if market will break that area, market will not pay our respect to that area. 1871, I think so. If market will break that area, 1880 area or 1879 area, market will be straightly just falls down. It looks like that, because if market will not respect to that area, market will straightly falls down till 1865. That's our best buying entry for the gold, and from there market could go to 1885. Then if again market will break that area, then again we can look for the again high targets. So this is how right now I am looking the gold right now. These are the two entries which I can tell you, the 1880 or 1865. These are the two entries from where we can look for the buy trades. And for the sell trades, I will if I will open a daily time frame chart, there you guys can see here that this area, the perfect selling entry would be 1920, and this is the perfect selling entry. 1920 would be our perfect selling entry, and for scalping sell entry, that would be approximately 1907 till 1910. This would be also the normal entry. But the best scalping entry, if you want to scalp like that 40-50 pips or 60 pips, so for that area you guys have to look at the 1898 or 1900. So I'm again repeating with you, 1897 till 1900, this would be the scalping entry, like that 50-60 pips or 70 pips. If you guys can look at the sell trade, you can look at here. And if you want to look at the normal trade, this could be the normal trade, but your stop loss should have to be approximately 1925 or 1927 something. And for best sell entry, that would be that area. Now why I am looking, I am majorly looking for the buy trades, and the thing is that actually it looks like that maybe this time interest rates would not be rising. Maybe it will move towards the next days, and so that's why. And also one more thing, you guys can see here that the long wick, and according to my experience of the trading, according to my experience, so I have seen many times that whenever market creates such type of legs, such type of wicks, so market try to cover these wicks. So maybe first of all market will just cover that wick, little bit downside 1878 till 79, then again maybe market will try to cover that wick, so it's just on the behalf of my experience, I've just shared to you that most of time market try to cover the long wick. Market tries to cover the long wick. That's it. I have shared you 3 buying entries and 3 selling entries, and I have told you about this week that if you are new in trading, don't trade. I will suggest you don't trade. And I have told you if you are looking for the buy trades, now I have told you the reason regarding that week, that market will try to cover that week. And also this is this week is too much, this week is too much hard week for every trader. So I will not allow anyone who are new in trading. And if you guys are, you know that first of all I forgot to say to you that about the Eid Mubarak. So don't waste your Eid day, so don't confuse your Eid day in these type of things. Just stay away from the market, let it run. So because market is full of opportunities, market will give you the opportunity. Even though in today morning we have posted the signals in the VIP group, I have mentioned the same thing. Don't enter because of that. The thing is that don't enter, don't use the big lot size, because market is not stable. I am again mentioning you, for the whole week market would not be stable. If you are using 0.10 lot size, I will say to you, use 0.02 lot size. Like that, market is that much confused right now. So further it's depend upon you. So I hope, let's hope for the best. That I think so that market will, I have told you that 1882, this was a scalping entry, that market could go till approximately 1897 or 98 area in the US session. It's just a possibility. So let's hope for the best, and Eid Mubarak to everyone from the Rio traders. So stay blessed, brother. Kindly do mention us in your prayers, and stay blessed. Have a good day.